Hello everybody! In this video we would like to show how you can easily change the Amazon country on your iPhone. So first of all, let's open the Amazon application. Here we'll go to the settings tab that is located right here. Open up the settings, choose the country and language category, and in here just choose what country you would like to use from now on. For example, I'll go with, so I have the United States at the moment, but I'll change it to the United Kingdom. And as far as the language goes, you can also set some different languages as well for the region that you plan on using, but I'll leave it in English. And now we'll press on done. And as you will see now, our country has been successfully changed to the United Kingdom because it says amazon.co.uk, and if we'll go to the settings once again, we'll see that our country and language is displayed as UK. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.